Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create Tone wallet or how you can easily create your Tone Keeper wallet on Android phone. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Google Play Store and here tap on the search icon in the bottom. Now use the search bar in the top and here you need to search for Tone Keeper wallet. Now once you are able to find the Tone Keeper wallet, you just have to tap on the install button in order to successfully install it in your device. Once done, tap on the open button and launch your Keeper wallet application. Now it might take some time to launch, but you just have to be patient until it is launching. Now once it is launched successfully, it will show you the interface that will look something like this, where you can either create a new wallet, or if you already have an existing wallet, then you can even import here as well. Here we want to create a new wallet, so tap on create new wallet and then provide your passcode. Now after setting a passcode, you just have to re-enter your passcode, and once you are done, it will ask you for the notifications, so you can enable them if you want to, but I want to do it later, so I simply tap on later in the top right hand corner. Now as you can see that my Tone Keeper wallet is now created, but remember, whenever you create your wallet, the first thing that you need to do is to simply back it up. For that, tap on this gear icon in the top right hand corner and select the backup option. After that, tap on backup manually and then it will show you this attention page where you just have to simply press continue. But before that, make sure that you read the instructions, like you never enter your recovery phrase any other place than Tone Keeper to access your wallet. Second thing, Tone Keeper support never asks for a recovery phrase. Everybody with your recovery phrase can access your wallet, so you just have to keep these instructions in mind and do not do it. So you just have to press continue and then you will be able to see your secret phrase associated with your Tone Keeper wallet. So you just have to copy that and keep somewhere safe and do not share it with anyone. So this way you will be able to back up your Tone Keeper wallet address and create your Tone Keeper wallet. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.